Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming the revocation source and why it happened. Check OXP and CRL responses from the issuing CA and read the revocation reason. This tells you whether it was key compromise, superseded, or an administrative revoke. Make sure your server clock is accurate because OXP/CRL rely on time. Otherwise, clients will keep rejecting. Once done, extract the certificate serial and issuer details so you can request remediation or a reissue from the CA without delay. Now you generate a replacement certificate and complete validation. Create a fresh key pair, use at least 2048-bit RSA or EXA P256, and produce a CSR containing current SAN and organization details. Submit the CSR to the CA, choose reissue or new issuance, and, if needed, ask the CA to formally revoke the compromised cert so clients never accept it again. Make sure to stage the new cert on a test endpoint. Verify the full chain and OXP stapling before promoting to production. Finally, deploy the new certificate and validate the environment. Install the cert and private key, enable OXP stapling on your server, and restart TLS services. Test connections from multiple clients and browsers, check chain status with SSL tools, and confirm OXP responds as valid. If anything goes wrong, roll back to the previous known good configuration and reevaluate CA responses. One key troubleshooting tip: clear OXP and CRL caches on intermediates and clients. Stale cached revocation data often causes persistent failures.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.